red doe detected today.
Howdy, howdy, howdy. PA treasure hunters here. Back down to the park. Don't know if you can see that there, but we had a little bit of rain today, so the ground's going to be a little bit more conductive. I'm hoping to find some targets that I've missed in the past. See you at my first find. I got my first plug out. I'm on to my first find. You can see the ground is quite a bit darker than it has been. It's not super dry. Oh, there it is. I knocked it loose. It's a penny. From the feel of it, I think it's a shield penny, and I think it's a zinkin. See you at my next find. Dug this one. It's a couple inches down. I think it was a penny signal. It looks like maybe just topped some kind of makeup, mascara. See you at my next find. Ground looks like it's starting to dry back out. Maybe it didn't get as wet as I thought it was. Got another penny signal. This one looks like a copper penny. There's Lincoln. I think it says 1970 something. There's the memorial. Maybe you'll be able to see the year. See you in my next one. Had what I thought to be a deep nickel signal. Ended up being in the side of the plug, so I popped the side out. And it did end up being a nickel. Again, my eyes aren't good enough to read the date. See you at my next find. I had what I thought to be another nickel signal. Was a 1213. Popped the plug. The 13 out of the hole. It's got to be here somewhere. Suspense is killing me. I know it's killing you. Put the camera down. Oops. See if that helps me find it. That looks like it's in frame. It's something. I see it coming now. It looks like it's going to be foil. Yep. Got foiled on that one. See you at my next find. I don't remember the number, but it was deep. So I popped the plug out and then had to dig into the plug a little bit. So it's still a good 4 inches deep. I popped the dime out. See you at my next find. You might wonder why I'm not using my probe today. I'm not using my probe because everything I'm digging today is deep. I'm trying to find something that just the moisture has made visible to me. Now this was bouncing between a dime quarter. I'm really hoping, oh, there's a quarter. I was really hoping it would be a quarter, so I hit the cycle. But there's a good chance there might be a dime still here. Because no, that's a clod. There's where the quarter was. I'm gonna keep looking. Nope. Nope, that might be my shovel. Yeah, it was my shovel. I think that's it for this hole. I'll see you at my next one. I popped another quarter out. It's almost pinpointer deep, so best part 7-8 inches. I'll see you at my next one. I had a solid 8-9 out of the plug. is a solid 9. Hope it isn't that piece of foil. That was it. Foiled again. I had another nickel signal. Had to dig it because I think that'll get me the cycle 2 times. I think this is going to be my last find, so I'll see you at the wrap up. This is the wrap up from my last evening's park hunt. And I don't have my trash here, standard trash, pull tabs, bottle caps. I ended up getting 2 quarters, 2 nickels, 3 dimes, and 8 pennies. So I, hit the cycle 2 times on modern clad. See you at my next hunt. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.